Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas, and welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thank you for joining, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you had an amazing weekend. Guess what? TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. Why? Because we are back live. Back at it again. Every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Yours truly, Buy My Money, is here. So you can watch him make or lose money. Who knows? Will the market be kind today? Who knows? Good morning, my pandas. Thanks for joining. We're back here live, doing what we love most, with the community we love most. Pandas, Mondays are the best days. Mondays are the fun days. Always look forward to Mondays, so I can be back with the pandas here. I appreciate everyone. Thanks for joining. You guys are amazing. You guys are truly amazing. Did I ever tell you that? You guys are amazing, and your support is priceless, invaluable to me. Pandas. What's most important? What's the most important thing right now? Pandas, the most important thing is your next trade. That is the most important thing. Forget everything else. Forget what happened in the past. Forget what happened the last trading day. Forget what happened the last week. Forget what has happened last month. Forget what has happened your entire life. Your life does not matter anymore. Only thing that matters is your next trade, pandas. All right, that might be a little extreme, but you know what I'm trying to say, pandas. In your trading journey, all that matters right now is your next trade. Stick to the plan. Be patient. If you see a better setup that perhaps may happen, wait for that better setup. Don't let the FOMO get you. Don't let the FOMO get you. Good morning, pandas. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. All that matters is your next trade. And more importantly, pandas, we're going to be better this week than we were last week. Are you guys ready to make some bamboo today? Are you ready? We're going to start with the weekly charts since we're on Monday here. You can see this gold line here. Let me make it more accurate, like super accurate. Super duper accurate. This gold line here is the weekly. Is a weekly chart, and this gold line is the all-time high before we broke out of it recently. And we broke out of it, and now we're coming back to the 20 EMA. It's been quite a ride down to it. It's 3 strong bear bars. And typically when you see 3 strong bear bars like this, especially on a weekly chart, that could be pretty strong, but we are currently on the 20 EMA, and I think we can go back and forth here for a little bit. Daily chart surely looks like it wants another leg down. But before that, we could have a pullback. I think if we have a pullback here, we could have another leg down. It could be wild. I am not sure. 5-minute chart, where we are on the 5-minute. Basically downtrend yesterday. Some of these. The 5-minute chart. Pretty strong movements. I mean, your best setups. Second entry short here. But I remember this one was wild, right? It went below, above, and below again. That was wild. And we entered on the inside bar break. That's when we entered. Made some bamboo. Right now, we do have a gap up. You see this line here? This line here is the previous day's close, right? Previous trading day's close. And you can see that we opened on Monday, or really Sunday. We opened above it with a gap. And we're clearly above the 20 May. When this does happen, sometimes it can be an all-day uptrend. And we never fill this gap. Especially when we're this far away. Most of the time we fill this gap, but you can see that when we try to reverse here, the super strong bear bar like this, We had a small pullback, and then we we broke the low here. Basically made a double bottom. We bounced back up. This could show us that the bulls are in control, especially now. We are clearly in an uptrend. Today could be an all-day uptrend. I have seen it many times where we gap up like this. The common thing is to fill this gap. But when you try to fill the gap, right, strong bear bar like this, and you're thinking you're going to surely fill the gap with a strong bear bar like this, and we don't, things can get tricky, Panda. Things are going to get tricky. Just be prepared. Let me say good morning, a couple of my pandas here. Jeffrey Hall, good morning. LG Willie, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp that like button. Getting ready for the open. No news today, pandas. We do have news. We do have some news tomorrow, but we'll be streaming during that time, so you guys hopefully will be prepared. Dom T, good morning. Big P Hansman, good morning. Hugh, welcome. Blacklight Gypsy, black. That's his message. I don't know what he's trying to say. What is he trying to say? I feel like there's a message here. Run from women. Throw the trash away. Make money. And you're all good. Check mark. I think that's what he's trying to say. LG Willie. Appreciate the two-legged pullbacks. Emmanuel White. Grand Rising. I have no idea what that is, but thank you. Futures trade with Kelly Ann. All right, Kelly. All right. Welcome. That is a long name. I'll tell you right now, that is a long name. But I hope you're doing well. I think maybe a trading range day cause no news. Yep. But most importantly, price action. We gotta look at the price action. Black Light, good morning. Summer in the Rockies, welcome. Day Trader New York. Weepa Papi. I don't know what that means, but good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Pandas, let's get ready. Get that mental capital built up. We're going to be mad patient today. Even if we get 3 losses in a row, Pandas, we don't care. We're going to be patient. We're going to be so patient. We could be just chilling today. Who knows? We could be choppy. We are news dependent right now on the market. Especially with Jerome Powell, man. This guy is fickle. He is fickle, especially with the most recent CPI numbers. If you don't know, inflation is on the rise. It's coming in hot. And so that means that the Fed may hold off on lowering interest rates, which is crazy. To think about. But I think from what he said, he feels confident that essentially, he says if the labor market does fall, then they have the ability to lower interest rates. So right now, I think now labor news is going to be, I think the market's going to be sensitive to labor news now because he specifically said that. So we have like anything with unemployment, unemployment claims, or what were the other ones? Job openings. You know, if anything like that, I feel like that will move the market. So maybe we conclude that as high impact news for us, or make or bust, or boom or bust news events. And as we're focused though today, all we care about is the very next trade and make some bamboo. I want one stream where I get 3 winners in a row. I've had plenty of 3 losers in a row. I have like 1 winner, maybe 1 loser, and 1 winner again. But I want 3 winners in a row, Pandas. Is it possible, Pandas? Is it possible to get the 3 winners? Close. The message is no humans. They are trash. Pandas rule. Got it. Got it. All right, pandas. What we got here? We are surely in an uptrend. I'm curious. Curious if we're gonna fill the gap right away or not. Man, we had just been several downtrend days in a row. All right, pandas. We got about 20 seconds. Get ready, pandas. Let's make some bamboo today. The countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Trading cannot be that easy. It cannot be that easy. I cannot just go long here and make money. Trading cannot be that easy, can it? Can trading be that easy, pandas? I didn't think so. Ooh. I can't go short here. We got this trend line in the way. It is a trap trade, but I cannot go short here. It is still within this channel. It shoots down. I will take a failed attempt here. It looks kind of strong. It looks like it wants to drip. It looks like it wants to fall. It looks like it wants to fall here. Ooh, it looks like it wants to tip over. It surely looks like it wants to tip over. It might flush here. All right, I'm out. Not interested in any reversal anymore. It looks like it wants to flush here a little bit. Trading range indicator on 2000 tick chart does show us trading range here. The 10,000 tick chart may just want to come back down to the 20 EMA. Hasn't touched it in a bit. Basically, the whole entire night session hasn't touched it one time. Big push down. Okay, we're flushing here. It was hard for me to take that trap because we were in this channel still. I've seen it many times where it does bounce off channels like this, but ended up being a very good trade. Flushing, maybe to the bottom of the channel or trading range. 10,000 tick, about to test 20 EMA. 10,000 tick. This looks like it has one more leg to go down. It's such a strong move down. Looks like it has one more leg to go down. Pops up, bouncing off the 20 EMA on the 10,000 tick. This is very, very definitive bounce here. Interesting. Second entry long, 10,000 tick chart. Are we going to get it? It looks like it wants one more leg down, but we shall see. Second entry long, 10,000 tick. Terrible looking signal bar. Ooh, pandas. I don't know about this one. Maybe a second entry short forming here. Kind of want to go long right now. Is that weird? Is the bounce up was so strong? Okay, it's looking weaker and weaker. Inside bar may be created on the 10,000 tick where I may go long. Right, it's a 10,000 tick two-legged pullback. I'll show you just in a second here. 10,000 tick two-legged pullback. A, B, C, just a straight up two-legged pullback on a decent uptrend. Ooh, just shoots up.
10,000.
So much risk though. It's too much risk for me, pandas. It's like 5-point risk. I think I need a deeper pullback to make this worth it for me. The risk is too large, pandas. You know what I'm saying? Like these signal bars are too large. Might want one more leg down, but as a second entry long for the nice entry bar, no follow through whatsoever. Absolutely no follow through. It could just reverse here on me, huh? Which is fine. I got to deepen the pullback where I felt like this trade was worth it. 1, 2. Yeah, I'm risking a little more than 5 points. Oof. All right. It reverses on me. Trap triggers. That's rough. That's rough. That's really rough in this situation here. Right. The moment it breaks above, I got a decent retracement on this trade. But to me, I said that risk is too large. I need a deeper retracement. I got the retracement. I thought was good enough. Like it was a balance between trying to get in the trade and also get a deep enough retracement. And I'm gonna take the hit here. Jeez. All right. Second. This is a two-legged pullback on the 2,000 tick chart. It's a second entry short. That's all it was, man. That's a strong leg down. Need another leg down. That's it. It sucked that the entry bar was so strong. Made me want to enter in. But there was a hint there that there was no follow through. So, I don't know. I don't know, pandas. Smaller time frames did suggest we needed another leg down there. Undershoot to an overshoot. That's how I'm reading this right now. And now we got a new leg down, or new low. And maybe hit the bottom of the trading range. It's okay, pandas. Pandas, it's okay. First trade of the week. Let's just shake it off. Shake it off. We got plenty of mental cap here to work with. I need like a mental cap bar. I need like an HP bar. I do. I need like an HP. I need like a Street Fighter HP bar. Seriously. How much damage can I take? Just like not even in my account, just like mentally. It's like a mana bar actually. I need like a HP bar, which is how much money I'm losing and maybe making, I guess. I don't know how that works. I need like a mental cap bar, something like that. Track my mental capital. And when it drops below a certain amount, I need to stop. I wish there was a way. I wish there was like an actual way to like really be able to measure your mental capital. But you know, it really is just a feeling, so it's hard. But I feel like I need one. I feel like I need one. It was such a strong move down too. So definitive. Like it bounced off so perfectly off the 10,000 tick 20 EMA. I was like, all right. I mean, that looks like the bulls know exactly where they want to come in, and they knew exactly when to come out too. I guess. Jeez. I guess it wants to come back down to the bottom of the trading range. It makes sense at this point. Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. First bar that's printed on the 5 minutes is a strong bear bar. And obviously there's a gap here, so maybe try to fill the gap. Very common thing that the market likes to do is filling the gap. It's okay, Pandas. You know, shake it off. I'm not. It's not the worst trade I've taken. Let's say that. I would say I like the pullback I got, and I'm glad I got that retracement. Right? I'm glad I didn't take the whole risk there. It would have been too much risk for that trade, in my
10,000 tick
opinion.
trap.
But because I got that retracement, I'm not feeling as bad. Basically, took out max, right? 5 points essentially. Especially when you're talking about a 10,000 tick chart trade. Your risk is gonna be bigger, right? Your candles are bigger. Just chilling here, Pandas. Just chilling. We do got break a trend to new low already, but we still have not gotten close to. We're not above the 20 MA. 10,000 tick chart may be a good setup still. Maybe a good setup still. Mm-hmm. Just waiting here, Pandas. Just waiting. Ooh, push down here. Could be a decent push down. Trap triggers. Am I looking for a short trade here, though? It's not really on any support. I don't know. Do I want a short trade or long trade here? We're beneath the 20 MA, so hard for me to go long. But 10,000 tick chart is above the 20 MA, so it could be a decent trade. This is a failed trap here, potentially. I think it's going pretty sideways, to be honest. We got doji bars mixed in there. Okay. There's that push down. We may hit the bottom of the trading range, marked by the trading range indicator. By the way, I didn't make these lines. These lines are automatically created with the indicator. And maybe if I just pay attention to it and try to go short near the top, I would have made some bamboo. Jeez. All right. Again, the main problem was that this trend line was in the way, and I didn't want to go short right into it. I've been punished for that many times. There's only so many times you can pay for the same lesson. You know what I mean? Some of the Rockies fill the gap. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. There's a gap here on the extended trading hours. Right? This includes the Globex. The 2000 tick chart includes the Globex because I like to include the Globex on the 2000 tick chart because the price action is reliable. The 5-minute chart, the price action is not reliable during Globex. So I only put the regular trading hours. Plus, that's what Albrooks does. You know, you got to mimic the best. If you want to become the best, you got to mimic the best. We got an inside bar on the 10,000 tick. It could push up here, but it's too uncertain for me. Too uncertain. It could push up here, but it's a little uncertain for me. Especially when we have a clear target down here. And also filling the gap from below. Bit confusing. Shake it off, Pandas. Shake it off. Shake it off. We got this. We got this. It's just the first trade of the week. We can't let that dictate our mood. I will not let it. Pandas. It's like as if it never happened. All we're worried about is the very next trade. That's all that matters, Pandas. That is all that matters right now. Good thing I didn't go long there. Still looking sus. Looking very sus here. Just a grand old little trading range here. Little itty bitty trading range here. Looks like it wants to touch the bottom of our trading range on the trading range indicator. This green line here. Looks like it wants it. It looks like it wants it. Ooh, it looks like it really wants it. Jeez. Strong bear bar. You'd be surprised if there's no follow through. Strong bear bar ending on this low. You'd be surprised if there's absolutely no follow through. Mm-hmm. Be a little surprised if there was no follow through whatsoever. That strong bear bar, but that's a 2,000 tick chart for you. You don't always get follow throughs. 2,000 tick chart follow throughs are very they don't have to happen as often. For instance, strong bear bar, virtually no follow through. Strong leg down, virtually no follow through. Strong leg down here, there was follow through. Yeah, this might be the follow through we're looking for, right? This up and then one more down, right? Second leg down.
10,000 tick trap.
We may get the follow through here now, which is what I was expecting. Again, be very surprised if we don't get follow through here, but hey, the market never ceases to amaze me. We got a second entry short here, pandas, and I'm looking for failure at this point. Fail second entry short. I think we're close enough. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Let's do it. I'm gonna do it. Such a strong push up like that above the 20 MA makes it more inclined to take this trade. At the end, I think the market's a little bit confused, a little bit choppy. To be honest, that's what it seems like, pandas. That's what it seems like. Give me a fail so I can get you short, pandas, and I'm in it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. The only problem at this point is, are we going to actually get the setup we want? It looks like we may have a chance here, pandas. Get that fail so I can get you short. I'll take it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I did it. I want to did it. Give me that fail second entry short, pandas. Give it to me. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. You can do it. I needed to come and trigger this second entry short so I can take the trap reversal. The only problem is, pandas, I may not get my setup. Oh boy. Am I going to miss the boat here? Am I going to miss the boat, pandas? I'm going to miss the Titanic. Am I going to miss the Titanic? Or am I going to be like Jack? Jump on the Titanic right before it leaves. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm being patient, pandas. I got so much mental capital, it's crazy. You don't understand how much mental capital I have right now. This does not even bother me if I miss this trade, if I miss this move. Does not even bother me because my mental capital is maxed out right now. Got so much mental capital. Jeez! I knew it! I knew I should go long! Ah! I'm not upset, pandas. I'm not upset. There's no indication. There's no indication that I'm showing that makes you think that I would be even the slightest upset, pandas. I'm not upset. I'm not. It's not that I called that perfectly. Why would I be upset about that? Jeez. We still may get our trap trade here. Let's see if we get it. Sleepy Joe, welcome. Ooh, okay. We got the fail. It could happen, pandas. It fails against you short. Just maybe. Just maybe. Fails against you short. I gotta try, pandas. I gotta try it. It looks like it tried to make the move already and it failed. So I don't know. If, I'm a little less inclined to take this. I'd rather see it bounce off the 20 MA at this point. Okay. 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 I'm game. I'm game. I think the risk reward is decent here. I think the risk reward could be decent here. In this trade. I'm gonna go for the 1 to 2 here, pandas. 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 Should I go for more? Should I be greedy? Test the highs here. Should I be greedy? Should I be greedy? I'll go for the 1 to 2. I don't mind the 1 to 2. I don't mind the 1 to 2 here. I'll take it. I'll take the 1 to 2. It shot up like it was gonna hit my target in just like instantly, but now it's sputtering out. What is that about? What is that about, pandas? Why is it sputtering out on me now? Come on, break to the upside here. I think we got a good chance, pandas. I think we got a good chance. You can do it. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Ooh, inside bar breaks to the upside. Pandas. You see what I see. Pandas. 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 Strong bull bar. 10,000 tick. Easy. Always in long. Come to Papa. Strong bull bar 5-minute chart. Easy. Always in long. Come to Papa. Oh, come on. You're like 2 ticks away. You can do it. Pandas. You can do it. Come on. No. What? Goodness. Why? Why? Where's my follow through on these strong bull bars? Where's the follow through? Come on. There has to be follow through, pandas. You cannot leave me here. If there's no follow through here, pandas, I know Jerome. Jerome's watching. Powley's watching us. He's watching this stream. He's trying to take my bamboo away. He's trying to take my Daryl dollars away. What is going on, pandas? Pandas. 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 Okay, it's a small pullback. Nothing to worry about, pandas. It happens. Happens all the time. We will not let this shake us out, pandas. We want the 1 to 2. We want the 1 to 2. Everything is pointing to the fact we'll get some follow through here. 10,000 tick chart as well. We'll get a little follow through. Everything's pointing to the fact most likely gonna get another push up here. Pandas, do you believe? Thoughts and prayers. We got like 4 or 5 bars overlapping now. This is getting a little sus. It's getting very sus now. Are we gonna get absolutely no follow through on this, pandas? Is it actually possible they get follow through? Come on. Come on. I feel like I need to make more now because I've been risking so much. I feel like I need to make more now. Oof. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit, pandas. I'm gonna let it cook. I don't want to let it cook too much because then it can get well done, and no one eats anything well done these days. What in the world? Oof. Give me the heebie-jeebies. What is going on? Come on, break up to the upside, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for doing what you're supposed to do. Thank you very much. Come on. Are you serious? Come on. No, 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 no. That's the wrong way. How are you going to have absolutely no follow through on a strong bull bar on a 5-minute chart? How do you not have any follow through whatsoever on this? How is it possible? Okay. Whew. Order is back in the world. We are back. Pandas. If we don't hit this, pandas, mental capital is draining fast. Pandas. Duh. Duh. Come on. Get up there. Get on up. On up. Get on up. Come on. I need a little James Brown here. What is happening? Why is this torture? Why is this so much torture just to get this 2 points, pandas? I don't know. I don't know if I can handle another reversal. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm only risking 2.5 points, pandas, at the end of all this. At the end of all this, only 2.5 points. I'll take it, but man, it's just a shame. It's a shame that this is so difficult. Man, no follow through on the 5-minute chart, pandas. I'm sorry. The market is just being difficult here. Strong bull bar ending near its high, and then virtually no follow through on the 5-minute chart. Just pauses. Ooh! Pandas! Pandas, we have a chance! Pandas! No! What? What is that? What's going on? I think we have a chance still. I'm holding it. I'm holding it, pandas. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm gonna hold it. Oh, I feel like I need to be greedy now. What? What in the world? How long do I have to hold this trade for? Now I feel like I gotta be greedy about it. I'm holding it for too long. I'm gonna be greedy about this. Two could play this game, right, pandas? Two can play this game. Two can surely play this game. Two can play this game, surely. Watch this. Check this out. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Watch this, pandas. Check this out. It's going to break up to the upside. Just watch. Just watch. Get ready, pandas. Just get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bars overlapping. This is insane. But pandas, we got the second entry long. Is this it? Is this it? Give me that pop. Give me that pop. I know you can do it. Give me that pop. Oh, what? What the? That is not a pop. That is the opposite of pop. Ooh. I think I'm going to shake it out here, pandas. It's too much for me. It's too much for me. I don't think I can handle it. It's too sideways for me. It's too 50-50. Should I let it cook? Watch this pop. It's cooking, pandas. It's cooking. It's still cooking. It's still cooking. Oh! 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 Ah! Nah! Nah! Oh, pandas, what is happening? Why is the grind so painful here? What is happening right now? Where is my pop when you need it? Where is the pop when you need it? Pandas! Pandas! I'm being greedy. I'm expecting to explode because of how much risk you have to hold in all of this. I'm waiting for this to absolutely explode. Oh, what the? Pandas! What is... What? What did I do? I don't know, Pandas. I don't know about this one. I just want to come out 1-to-1. I want to protect my 1-to-1 here. I'm very uncertain what's going to happen. I just took my 1-to-1.
5-minute trap.
Wow, Pandas. I was very uncertain what's going to happen. I just took out my 1-to-1. Pandas. Pandas. I mean, can you blame me for being a little worried there? Can you really blame me for that one? I don't think that's my fault. I think that's Jerome Powell's fault. That's not my fault. Definitely not my fault. I just had to do what I had to do. I didn't like what I saw. Can you blame me for that? I don't think so, Pandas. I think I made the right move. It just got too many. It got too choppy. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bars overlapping. It's way too uncertain. Way too uncertain what's going to happen there. Really annoying, right? Because you got the 5-minute strong bull bar ending on its high and then just no follow through. So it just means that when stuff like that happens, you just expect a trading range day. Right? When you got strong bull bars with no follow through, even here on the 5-minute chart, you got strong bear bar, virtually no follow through. You got a little bit of follow through, but it doesn't really follow through. You know what I mean? It just kind of goes down a little bit further. I think you could almost expect a trading range day because of the price action we're seeing right now. We do have news tomorrow, Pandas. We don't have any news today, but we have news tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. Eastern time. And we'll be streaming at the time, so don't worry, you won't miss it. But just be aware, there's not much news today. I don't think. I mean, at least there's no high impact news, which could really cause this market to go back and forth for a while. Could be a choppy day today, waiting for the news tomorrow. Oh, getting pushed back up here. Interesting. I don't know what to make of this, Pandas. I really just don't know because I feel like at this point I'm looking for a trading range type day. Just from the price action for a couple bars, I just don't know. It might really push up here. It might push up. It might push up to where I wanted to push up last time. It might push up now. Jeez. It shook me out, Pandas. What can I say? It shook me out, Pandas. What can I say? Goodness gracious, shook me out. It does pop up now finally after shaking me out. I couldn't handle it. Couldn't handle the shakeout. Could not handle it. Now we're getting some follow through. Jeez. Very confusing though for me still. I don't regret taking my 1-to-1, right? At least I came out 1-to-1, which is fine. I think I would be more upset if I try to come out break even and it takes me out and then bounces off my break even area. Basically it went down to retest this breakout area, which happens very often, and now it pops up, so. Madness. Okay. Trading range, price action. Looks like it is starting to ensue. I'm looking for reversals now, pandas. I think it's a good time to look for some reversals just because for expecting trading range price action, then reversals are bountiful, especially near the top of a potential trading range here. Especially bouncing off potential resistances. Looking for reversals in this area. See if we can get it. At the end, I could have got my 1 to 2. Darn. Darn it. I mean, can y'all blame me, pandas? Can y'all really blame me for that one? It makes a 1 to 2. Some expert trader out there took the 1 to 1, rebought back here, and they took out the 1 to 2. You know there are traders who did that. Jeez. Some really good traders probably did that. I have a hard time when it comes back down to break even. I mean, I've seen it bounce often off break even. You know, like for instance, like you've had a runner. I go for a 1 to 1, had a runner, and the runner comes, gets stopped out, then the runner finally goes. How many times have you heard that story or seen that story? It's just like I don't know. I haven't weighed out the risk reward for situations like that. It's very difficult, in my opinion. Are we getting a spike in channel here now? Interesting. Always in long, 5-minute chart maybe. 5-minute may be showing potential always in long. I think it's in reverse here to be honest, but who knows.
5-minute trap.
Fails like entry long is my best bet. That's what I want. You could look at something like this. Might be better to look at this. Break a trend to new high at this point. It's such a strong bull move though, yeah. New high makes sense too here. Bull move. But if it doesn't, jeez, I don't know. Everyone thinks we'll get the gap. Maybe. Could be possible. Anything could be possible right now, especially trading range days. Very common opening on gap ups or 5-minute gap ups is that pushes up, goes back down, pushes up again, goes back down. One more push, creating a wedge. It could also be a double top, right? So gaps up and then reverses. Very common opening pattern on the 5-minute chart. Where gaps up, does a double top, reverses. I would like a fail second entry long here. I'll take it. It's unfortunate. I just don't know if it's going to happen, though. Unfortunately. That's the hard part, right? We'll be actually going to set up.
Trap.
I'll take it. Fail second entry long. Jeez. This is the mix of FOMO coming in. Second entry long here. I'm not interested. More interested in the reversal here, pandas. Looking for this reversal here, pandas. It looks good to me. It looks juicy. Gotta wait for it to trigger though. Alright. Good signal bar for this reversal. I like this trade a lot. I like this trade a lot, actually. Even if I lose it, I don't mind it. I like this trade a lot. I think it is a very good trade. The problem is, how much risk do I want to take? Do I want to take the scalp risk, or do I want to take the swing risk? It looks like I'm going to have to take the swing risk here. It's about to reverse on me very quickly. Oh, just a failed trap. Maybe I'll just take the... Jeez. Alright. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for taking this trade. I'll take the swing risk here. This is the swing risk. If I took the scalp risk, I'll already be taken out. Taking the swing risk here. Swing risk means you need to get the swing targets then. Right? You'll lose more when you lose, but you'll win more when you win. And you gotta wait. You gotta let it hit. If you don't hit your appropriate profit targets, then it's a losing system. It's a losing system. You got you can be like, just take your money right now. Bye bye. Just take it right now. Why not? You already made money. Problem is, it's a losing system. If I actually take, like, I'm literally saying I'm losing. I want to lose money if I just take it out here. It is literally a losing system. If you just take out here prematurely, you gotta hit your targets. You gotta hold appropriate stop losses, but you gotta hold appropriate targets as well. And even though this is bouncing back up, and of course I could have made some bamboo here, it's like at the end, you got, in the long term, you gotta be able to hold through these, in my opinion. If you don't like it, you come out break even, but I want to hold it. Even if I get taken out, I don't mind, because I know that you gotta hold the correct profit target in order for you to, in the long run, to make money. So I don't mind this if I lose this. It happens, right? You just gotta take it on the chin and move on. It's unfortunate, but you gotta take it on the chin. Right? If you're holding a swing trade, you gotta get the swing targets. Just for instance, let's say like I had my swing set up and it just went all the way up, and it just took me out. My next trade, you gotta win as much as you're gonna lose. You can't just lose a lot and always just win little. You gotta win a lot too if you're gonna lose a lot. I feel like this is an appropriate place to look for the reversal, so I don't even mind this. The only problem is the 10,000 tick looks super bullish right now. That's the main problem, right? The 10,000 tick looks like it wants to explode into outer space. Right? Just staying above the 20 MA and bouncing off of it like this just looks like it wants to explode. Which is unfortunate for me because I'm going short. But it is what it is. Like, I'm gonna bank on the trading range more than the breakout. We do reverse a little bit here, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be good for us. It looks like my trap fails essentially here. It already did fail, right? It went short and actually took out the scalp stop loss. It actually went down. It doesn't even make a 1-to-1 on that actual risk, right? Your actual risk is this. It doesn't make a 1-to-1 on this, so no matter what, I might as well hold it, in my opinion. Right? It doesn't even get you the actual risk. So it is what it is, pandas. And if you don't like it at all, you can just skunk the trade, take like a small hit, and just move on. Better than taking like, you know, if you think your premise is wrong at this point. Yeah, I purposely don't know if I want to hold into another reversal here. Yeah, I like personally don't think I want to hold into another reversal here. I can come up break even on the trade. Or I can hold it. Skunk it or hold it. This looks better now. It looks a lot better now. Let's make a new low. I'll take it. Jeez, this is so hard to hold. So hard to hold, pandas, but so easy. I'm the best trader in the world. Oh my goodness, pandas. Trading is so easy. I was not worried for one. Oh,
10,000 tick trap.
What is happening right now? What's going on? Don't make me come up break even, please. Don't make me come up break even. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about reversing here. Goodness gracious. Don't even think about it. I don't want to hold it. I don't want to hold it. Another reversal. I'm out. It actually ended up making the 1-to-1 there, pandas. Of the actual reversal. Oh, pandas. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Pandas. What in the world was this? This is marquee of trading range price action. Just it does all of these wacky things. It does all of these wacky things. I was ready. I was honestly ready just to get hit there. I'm down 125. It's all good, pandas. It's all good. It's all good. I couldn't handle another reversal there, pandas. My cojones are too weak. Lou took his 3 points. Not a bad idea. More than me. I took a half. I took a tick. I took a tick profit. Jeez. How scary is that, pandas? That is just wild. It's going to probably crash now since I'm out. Jerome Powell saw me exit my position. He said, time to sell. Watch this. Check this out. He's going to crash the market now. Jeez. Too hard. Too hard for me. I held it through all of this. It spiked and went super strong up and it came back down and came back up. I held through all of that. Couldn't do it. I should have just walked away from the computer, pandas. I should have just walked away and let it play out. Because it looks good now. Jeez Louise. The 10,000 tick chart looked like it was going to explode. It was like a strong bull bar about to explode. It looked like it. This is tough, pandas. This is tough. It's tough to make money today. It's getting very choppy. Ah, pandas. That is another. Wow. Wow. Another skunk. It looks like it's probably going to hit my targets now. What price action. That is crazy. That's actually kind of crazy. I couldn't handle it. I want it down here. What is that? What is a strong bear bar or strong bull bar? What is this? Why does it have to do that? It actually is, now it's about to hit my target that I wanted. Oh my pandas. Alright, it's okay. Calm down, pandas. It's just Monday. It's the first day of the week. Let's just calm down, everybody. Alright, everyone calm down. It's the first day of the week. We got plenty of days to find some good trades. Today just may not be the day. Today just might be one of those choppy days that you just really don't know what's going to happen. Goodness gracious, what is that? This strong bull bar. Oh, it scared me. I just felt like it could easily reverse there. That I was just in the trade for too long. I hate when things cook for too long. This is too scary. Right, strong bear bar, you're like, yes, gonna hit my target. Then strong bull bar, you're like, what's gonna happen now? It's just too confusing, Panda. It's too confusing. Too many heart attacks. Only so many heart attacks you can take in one day. Limit order market, I mean, essentially that's what's happening here. It's a limit order market, in my opinion. Converting into one at least.
Five-minute trap.
Huh. Well, would you look at that? It hits my target. Ah, pandas, this is crazy. It's too hard. It's too hard. Trading is it's too hard, pandas. It's too difficult. It's the hardest thing in the world. Couldn't hold it. Could have made my bamboo, but I could not hold this stupid bull bar. Why do you have to print that bull bar like that? What in the world? But after all, I did end up timing the reversal correctly. I just could not hold through all the chop through it to get to my targets. I end up actually timing that well, in my opinion. Alright, pandas, no matter what, win or lose, I'm going to hold my next trade until it gets stopped out or I hit my target. There is no other option, pandas. Why? You need like a laptop so you can just bring it to the bathroom. No matter what, pandas, my next trade, it will be a win or a lose. No skunking, nothing. No coming out one-to-one if I want. Right, yeah, well, depends on my target. But I will not change my target. I will either hit or lose. I'm going to basically look for a reversal here. But, man, strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart, surely. Got the 20 EMA. It's quite a reversal right now. Double top, essentially. Ooh, okay. Hits the bottom of the trading range. That's nice. I'm gonna try to do something cheeky here. I'm gonna try to go long. Just don't give me too much risk, please. I know that's like a super strong bear bar, but I feel confident in this trading range. Ooh, that's a terrible signal bar. Do I want to reverse it really with that? I don't know. I don't think so. You need a better reversal bar than that, in my opinion. The price action is just too choppy for me. Like it's too for me. It's just clearly a trading range. We're in this. We're in this together, pandas. It's a low probability trade. Hopefully some good risk reward though. That is the worst trade I've taken my entire life. What in the world? It's the worst trade I've taken my entire life. If this reverses off, this is the worst trade I've taken my entire life right now. Goodness gracious. Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Most likely follow through here. And I'm out. Worst trade in my entire life. What was I thinking? What was I thinking, pandas? You know what that means, pandas? It only means one thing. I'm tilted. That's literally me. That's actually a live cam on me. That is a live feed on me. Silly trade. What was I thinking? I really believed in the trading range indicator there. It's a low probability, good risk reward trade. Eating right now, so I'm on mute. One day, pandas, I'm gonna reverse on the bottom of the trading range or the top, and I'm going to make a lot of money. One day, pandas, just watch. One day it'll happen. Maybe get a slight pullback here. Strong bull bar. Do I want to take a reversal here? I don't know, pandas. I don't know. We keep me in a downtrend now, but hard to say, really. As in, if there's a second entry short here, do I want to take the short or do I want to take the long? It's really hard to say. Only man guys, are you using NMAs for live panda face? What are we talking about? This is my face. This is actually my face. I'm not using anything. I'm just using a webcam. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I got a couple little bags under my eyes, little black circles around my eyes, but you know it's what it is. It's not because I'm tired. Okay, second entry short, pandas. Do we want to continue this downtrend, or are we gonna look to bounce here? If it's a really good-looking second entry short, probably be hard for me to pass up. It's such a strong move down. You're thinking one more leg down here. But it has to be a nice-looking signal bar, and I'll take it. Nice-looking signal bar and not much risk. Can't be too much risk either. All right, Paz. Let's see what we can get here. See what we can make of this. Okay. Oof. That timing was perfect. Perfecto. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good. You never like it when you enter a trade and it literally tick shots you in and then reverses on a dime. That's never a good thing, pandas. I don't think I've ever enjoyed when that happens. It's never a good thing here. I just take it on chin if I lose. It is what it is. It is what it is. If I die, I die. It don't look good here, pandas. Oh, it does not look good at all. What can I say? It looks really bad actually now. Jeez. I don't know if I want to reverse my trade though. I'll just take it on chin. I'll take it on chin. It is what it is. You take it on chin. You lose, you lose. I feel like I need to get at least a 1-to-1 here, yeah. Jeez. It's like 5 overlapping bars in a row. 6 overlapping bars in a row at this point. This is a second entry short. Pretty good signal bar, but got a little choppy, I guess, before really triggering. Breaks the bottom side of the inside bar here, which is good news for me. Okay. People came out break even in the trade that I was in. Seems like. What? What is happening? Yeah, it's not good. I'm gonna get hit here. I'm like 90% certain I'm gonna hit here. 90% is a pretty high percentage, huh? With that percentage, I should just get out. Break even. If I can help it. Ooh, that's not good. It basically double bottomed off of my entry. Which is really bad. Basically double bottom off my entry band is what do I do here? It's like 7 bars overlapping at this point. It's completely 50-50 in my opinion. Looking for a 1-to-1 though. Either it's gonna go down or it's gonna go up. It's one or the other. Isn't that profound, pandas? Either it's gonna go up or go down. Thank you for coming to my channel where you can learn the most profound trading tips. Either it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. Unbelievable. Never heard it. First time you heard it here. It does reverse here. It's really bad news for me. Like very bad news for me. Like almost certain death type bad news for me. But like I said, my next trade, I'm going to hold it till the end. Win or lose. It is what it is. All things considered, I'm not losing too badly today. All things considered. I'm within the reasonable, like, you know, tolerance of my daily loss limit. Reasonable tolerance here. Inside bar created on the 5-minute chart. This is so sideways. It's actually incredible. It's gonna take me out. It has to take me out here, pandas. Like, it's just so certain it's gonna take me out here. This market is no bueno at the moment. How many overlapping bars is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like, I just want one nice, simple two-legged pullback on a downtrend to work out for me. Is it too hard? Is it too much to ask for, pandas? Is that too much to ask for? Give me a one two-legged pullback that works out. It was nice knowing you. I'm dead. And I'm dead. It is what it is. I think that was my last trade. I don't know if I can handle this. This market is way too unpredictable, way too choppy. Too many overlapping bars. Strong moves don't have any follow through, and reversals are super choppy. So I think that's my cue to just hang out with you guys and just let the market do its thing. I don't know. I can't trade it. Look, if it takes me out and goes down, it's like, you know, that was a very, like, maybe predictable thing that was going to happen after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 overlapping bars in a row. You know, you got to stay away from it. You got to stay away when the market goes in and out of the 20-minute. The only problem is that you didn't know it was going to do this when you entered the setup. Other than you had 1, 2, 3. I mean, you had basically 4 overlapping bars in a row. That could have been enough evidence for you to be like, I don't like it. Even if it's a nice bear bar, you have 4 overlapping bars overlapping. So, I mean, what can you do? What can you do, pandas? You think it's going to go down, but you have no idea. You truly have no idea yet. It's pretty much 50-50, so. You think it's going to go down, but you actually don't know. Like, how certain were you that it was going to go down? Now look at what's happening. That's what happens in choppy markets. You just don't know. You just don't know, pandas. Simple as that. Okay, last trade of the day. I'll take an L4 here. I'll take the L4. Oh, never mind. It's reversing. Straight up reversing now. I thought I was going to take an L4, but I don't know if it's a good idea anymore. I mean, maybe go long at this point. Maybe the trading range is true. Nobody knows. How would they know? Nobody's gonna know. L4 setup. It's hard to take L4s naked though. Tough day today though. Man, negative 470. Jeez. L4 does push down a little bit here. Okay, pushes up. Ooh, okay. It is popping up here. What a reversal, jeez. Now we're pretty much in the middle of the trading range. I think that might be it for us pandas. You know what? I'm gonna salvage these. You know, just we're down 470. It's all good, pandas. We still have like $2,000 of threshold or something. Let me see. We should have plenty of threshold. Yeah, plenty of threshold still to play with. Pandas, it's just the beginning. We're still positive on these accounts. Pandas, I think that's it for me today. I don't think I can take this. I don't think I can trade this this chart today. I think I'm gonna leave it alone for the rest of the day. It is what it is. Pandas. I know we're down today, but pandas, it's just the beginning of the week. We're gonna get it tomorrow. There is news tomorrow, so we may have more volatility, which is what I'm looking forward to. But today is just too hard. It's not my market. It's not my market cycle. I don't like trading ranges. I've admitted it many times. It's very difficult for me to trade trading ranges. So if you can master yourself, you can master trading, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, pandas. Thanks for sticking around, watching me lose a bunch of money. You guys have been great. I love the chat. I love you guys talking about pooping and stuff, whatever. Whatever you guys want to talk about it. I just don't know how it always turns to that. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm leaving for a doctor soon. Let's see if I got a little cancer. Middle cancer and below is okay. Fingers crossed. Hey, man. Thoughts and prayers. I don't know what's happening, but Black Lad, I mean, I would hate to hear that. Keep us updated. Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, everyone. Trade safe. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.